In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Squarespace platform to edit your website efficiently. If you're ready, let's dive right in and get started on how you can seamlessly manage your site. First things first, open up your browser and go to the Squarespace website. As the site loads, you'll notice an icon at the upper right corner of the page. This is your profile icon. Click on it, and this will begin your journey into managing your Squarespace account. The moment you click, you're taken to your account dashboard, which serves as your central hub for accessing all your Squarespace sites. It's your command center where all your website editing adventures begin. From your account dashboard, the next step is to select the specific website you wish to work on. This action will unveil a multitude of options tailored specifically for managing and editing that particular site. Now look for the option that says Go to Website. Clicking on this will take you directly into the interface where you can start making those much needed changes to your site. As you enter this new space, you'll notice a menu on the left side of your screen packed with various options. While it might feel a tad overwhelming initially, there's no need to fret. We'll keep our focus clear. Right now we're concentrating on locating the Pages section. Once you spot it, click on Pages to display your site's structure. Here, all your pages are neatly organized, offering a clear view of your website's layout. This is where you can choose which page you wish to edit next. Having selected a page, you'll want to click on Edit to open the page editor. At this stage, you'll notice an incredibly useful feature in the upper right-hand corner, a toggle option between desktop view and phone view. This is essential for ensuring your site looks fantastic on all devices. To initiate editing in the desktop view, simply click on the desktop icon. But if you're curious about how your site will appear on a mobile device, just click the phone view icon. This flexibility is invaluable, as it allows you to tailor your site's appearance, making sure it provides a seamless experience whether your visitors are using a computer or a mobile device. As we navigate through these adjustments, remember that changes made in phone view do not automatically carry over to desktop view and vice versa. This separation means you have the ability to